Tawad pa to? Mas tawad na to? Kakabaw ko din.
Kaya sabi.
Alita ka pare pa ano? Nakabiyahe tayo.
Nang?
Video mo.
Yeah.
Nasa ka? Ikaw.
Narito kami ngayon, pabalik kami ng Tabriz. Ito na yung daan, pabalik ng Tabriz sa
Mariam Street.
Mariam Street. Mariam Street ba ito?
Okay. Nargis Street.
Nargis Street. Ito na yung
Very nice street.
very nice street. Na
Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating street? Nalolola mo!
Pantayin mo naman, pare.
Ha?
Pantayin mo naman.
Huwag ka lang mawawala.
Pero actually, ang ano nun, pare, yung ano, bakit ngayon ka lang dumating?
Yeah. Why you came only now?
Yeah?
Why you came now only? Correct?
Yeah? Now,
Mark,
ano bang tawag doon?
focus mo naman kami rito.
Neighbors, our driver.
There's our driver, Mr. Hayop.
Mr. Hayop is a good driver.
Driver. And
this is
hi,
Jojo.
this is your VJ, Jojo. Call me Joji. And this is Betty.
Betty. Hi,
Hi, Philippines.
Yes, I
Can you
will come
say,
to Philippines.
yeah, you say something to Philippines.
Hi, all Filipino people.
Oh.
Jojo is my best friend in the and there too. We are going to Tabriz from Kilimanjaro. Bye.
Ayan siya pare. Okay. Sa video. Kain ka pre?
Ayos, I cannot
Cannot resist
uh,
to
Only-
Mariam Street or
only 3 minutes.